On the 15th of September 2023 in Pullman, 9-year-old cocky Gen Z driver Mairead Quigley was stopped after swerving through streets without signaling officers moved in for a DUI check. Watch the full LIFECAMS footage.
Pullman, 467, I'll take a second.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
My name's Officer Westerman. Stop is being recorded. The reason you're being stopped was a few things. So, when you turned onto California Street, you didn't use your turn signal. Then you almost hit a curb. Then you made a left-hand turn here onto A Street. Again, not using your turn signal.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Were you just distracted by something?
I'm sorry, I usually...
Okay.
We're here frequently, so
okay.
Sorry.
I see you have blood coming down your hand. What's going on with that?
Oh, that's a
Are you
personal
okay?
reason, yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Alright, did you cut yourself?
Yep.
How long ago?
I don't really think that's any of your business, I'm sorry.
Alright, I'm just concerned.
No, that's fine. No, I'm just here to...
Okay, do you have your driver's license with you?
I do. Wait. I don't have my wallet with me, actually.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Do you have your registration and insurance for the car?
Will that...
One Direction!
Hello? Yep. What do you mean?
I need you to focus on the task at hand. Your phone call is not the
Okay,
priority.
sorry, I gotta go. I'm sorry, bro. What's up?
I need your registration and insurance for the vehicle.
19.
How old are you?
Okay. I think. Okay.
When Officer Westerman approached her 2017 Kia Sportage, he smelled alcohol immediately and saw her watery, bloodshot Gen Z eyes and confused expression.
I think this is my... Let me make sure. Okay, yeah. This is my recent insurance. I got a new car last year.
Okay.
This is here. And I think this is my...
It talks about warranties and all sorts of things.
Is this not the
So
right...
no, that one is not. This one's your registration.
Okay.
You were looking for an insurance card.
Insurance, okay. I think that's on my app. What do you... Okay.
Is your last name Quigley?
Yes. Oh, I was gonna say...
What's your first name?
Mairead.
How do you spell it?
M-A-I-R-E-A-D.
M-I... Oh, sorry. That's different than I'm used to. M-A-I...
R-E-A-D.
R-E-A-D?
Yep.
And what's your middle initial?
Rose. R.
And your date of birth?
July 17th, 2003.
July the 17th of 03?
Yep.
What state is your driver's license from?
Washington.
What's your address here in Pullman?
In Pullman?
Mm-hmm. And sorry, the apartment number again? Okay.
Sorry, I don't know my insurance. We switched, me and my dad switched our insurance recently, so I'm trying to find...
Okay. And you pronounce your first name Mairead?
Mairead.
Mairead?
Like parade, yeah.
Mairead. Okay, Mairead. Can you come talk to me outside the car, please? Because I'm instructing you to step out of your vehicle.
Is there a reason why?
It's a lawful order. You have to step out of your vehicle now.
Is it a lawful order?
Yes, ma'am. Step out of your vehicle.
She fumbled her documents, refused to answer drinking questions, and stiffened up when asked to step out. Once outside the car, Mairead refused every field sobriety test, no walk and turn, no HGN, nothing showing clear signs of impairment through her shaky voice and unsteady posture. Viewers, what do you think when a driver refuses every test but still insists they're fine?
53. Can you come back here? So I'm concerned. How you doing?
This is where I live.
Okay, cool.
So I just walk by.
Yeah, sounds good. So, I'm kind of concerned about how much alcohol you had to drink tonight, plus your driving. Would you be willing to do some voluntary field sobriety tests?
Is that a voluntary thing?
Correct. They're voluntary.
So if I say no, what does that do?
Then I have to make my decision based on the observations to this point.
Which is, like, based on what?
Your poor driving.
Poor driving based on what? Me not putting my blinker?
Not using your blinker, nearly striking the curb. When you pulled into this parking lot, instead of just coming to a stop, we went through all of these cars and then came back here.
Well, this is where I was pulling into, so.
Okay. You just have to say yes or no, you want to do the test.
What do I do if I say no?
That
What happens if I say no?
Then I have to make my decision based on the observations I've seen at this point.
Which is what?
Can
you be honest with me?
Yeah.
If I say no, like, what happens beyond that?
If I believe that you're...
I'm, like, just genuinely, like, scared of, like, what's going on here. Like, I've seen too many videos, and I'm fucking scared that I don't, like, trust you guys. So, like, what's going on beyond that? I'm here.
So, I think you're intoxicated.
Okay.
Okay. So, at this time, you are under arrest. Place your
What?
hands behind your back.
Wait, no.
No, don't tense up. Don't tense up. Relax.
No.
Relax.
What the fuck?
Careful.
What
She
do
has
you
dry
mean?
blood on your hand.
Joey, get my thing, please.
No one will walk up to this. Otherwise, they will be detained.
What do you mean I'm under
Relax.
arrest?
Relax.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything.
You're
I didn't
under
do
arrest
anything.
for DUI.
What do you mean? I didn't do anything.
You have the right to remain silent.
My car at least, Joey.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law.
Get him to get my car at least,
You have
Joey.
the right at this time to talk to an attorney and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you without cost if you so desire.
Tell him to get my car at least, Joey.
You can decide at any time
He's in there. Tell him to get my car
not
at
to
least.
make any statements or answer any questions.
Today is the 15th of September, 2023. It is 01:28 hours.
I don't have my fucking phone. I don't
Yes.
have anything.
She said it was a personal reason. She didn't want to talk to me about it. Okay, we're going to walk to the rear of my patrol car. Do you have anything on you that would stick or stab me, like a pocket knife, needles, something of that sort?
Nope.
Okay. Do you have pockets on your skirt?
No.
Are these shorts?
No.
Okay.
Can I at least have my phone?
Relax, please. Please, relax. Fighting this is not going to change anything. I need you to relax, okay? Not at the moment. I'll come talk to you in a second. Have a seat.
What are you? You haven't even. What are
Would
you
you like
arresting me
medics
for?
to come look at your wrist?
No.
Okay.
Can you just? Why are you arresting me?
You are under arrest for operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol to the point that it's impaired your driving.
Can I get out?
Yep. Alright. You can stand to the right of the door so I can get the next door for you. We're going to go up to that brown chair in front of you.
Do you want me to sit in it, or what?
No, I don't want you to stand in it, but you can have some.
Can you take these off, please? Can I have my phone?
No,
Why?
so that's not part of the process. you already had your reds right. We're going to read them again. Received. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right at this time to an attorney. Anything you can say or you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney before answering questions. You have the right to have an attorney present during the questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you without cost if you so desire. You can exercise these rights at any time. Do you understand these rights? And your first name is Mairead, correct?
Sure.
I've never met anyone with that name before.
No?
Is it like a family name or something?
Why do you care?
I'm just trying to make small talk.
What, as you're asking me? No, it's an Irish name. Thanks for asking. I just want to go home.
Okay. So this machine's going to think for the next couple minutes, do all of its internal checks. When it's time to do your sample, what I'm going to have you do is you're going to stand up.
Can I just go home, please?
Not at the moment.
I know, but after this, please, just give me a fucking ticket, and if I do, just let me go home.
I will do my
really
best.
don't want to be.
Please listen to the instructions. I'm going to put this into the breath nozzle. When I tell you, you're going to stand up, you're going to take a deep breath so your lungs can't hold any more air. Then you're going to blow steady through this tube until all the air is gone.
Yeah, my
It's
mom
gonna.
made me used to do it.
Do you do breathalyzers?
Yep.
Oh. It might be a little different. It's still thinking. You can sit if you want.
I know how to do it.
It's going to take about 10-second sample. It's probably longer than you're accustomed to. Go ahead and take your deep breath in and blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're about halfway. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. Okay. Have a seat. That's going to think for just a couple minutes. We'll do it one more time,
Okay.
and then I can take the handcuffs off.
Can you please just like after just give me a ticket and let me go, please? I just really don't want to be here.
Alright, okay. Have a seat. We're almost through this part.
No, I know. I just really don't want to be here, please.
I fully understand.
You don't. You don't. Have you ever been here in this
No.
position? No, you don't.
I wouldn't be allowed to be a police officer.
Exactly. You don't know what it feels like. So don't say you know, because you don't.
No, I understand you don't want to be here, is what I'm saying.
But to an extent, you don't understand. Because you've never been in this seat before with your fucking hands cuffed behind your back. I just want to go home. And I don't care. Like, at this point, like, whatever happens, I just want to go home. There's no point in fucking holding me here. Just drive me home, please. That's gonna be so bad. What is it?
What was your question, sir?
What is it?
What is what? You didn't ask me a question.
The number I just blew.
No, we got to do two. So it does one. Now it's doing a sec. It's going to wait here in a second. It's cleaning out all of the breath you provide. We do a second one. Then it prints off a result sheet.
want to go home, please. I'm really cold. Sorry, Dad. I'm sorry.
So all your paperwork goes to the correct place. What is your address here in town?
What is my address? What do you need to know?
So all your court paperwork goes to the right place. Ready for your second one? If you would please stand up. Would you please stand up?
What do you want?
We have to do the second one, and then it's done.
Can't you?
Okay. Take your deep breath in.
Fuck you. I'm sorry.
Take your deep breath in, please.
Oh my God.
We're almost done.
Sorry.
Okay, and blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, you unsealed your lips, so the air didn't go through it.
Fuck.
Take your deep breath in. As soon as you provide the sample, I can get the handcuffs off. Blow out. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, 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 keep going. Almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay. That was my body camera. That was the machine.
Is it fine though?
It's gonna tell me here in a second. Take your handcuffs off.
Me? Like I know how to do it? What do you mean?
Listen to me. I just said the words. I'm gonna take your handcuffs off.
I thought you said take your handcuffs off. Like I don't know how to fucking do it.
Hold still, please. Hold still. If you twist, I can't get them off. Go back how you are. Please sit down. Have a seat. Right there. Sit down. I don't think you really understand the gravity of the situation right now. The way you're behaving is childish. I understand that. But you decided to drive intoxicated tonight through the streets of Pullman, where there's hundreds of people walking around. Thank God you didn't hit anyone. Your result sheets are going to print off in a minute. After that, we're going to review it together. After that, you're going to be placed in a cell where you will remain until you are released.
Until when?
Can't tell you when. It'll be within 6 hours. I will get you a blanket, and you'll stay there. In the meantime, I need you to take off all your jewelry, place it inside this box. While you're doing that, I'm going to review your result sheets here. Your first sample tested at a 195 and a 206. Your second sample is a 179 and 188. Twice the legal limit, about 8 times the legal limit for a minor such as you.
Will I get all of this jewelry back?
Yes, you will.
Do I have to take all of it out?
Yes, ma'am.
So how long do I have to save this all for?
Up to 6 hours. It depends on several factors. There's only so many of us working. I can't control the calls that come in. Who calls 911? I will try to get you out here in a reasonable amount of time. I can't tell you exactly when. All I can tell you is the longest you could possibly be here is 6 hours. I will review the rest of the paperwork with you when I release you. At that point, maybe you'll be a little bit more sober and a little bit more cooperative.
But is me being more cooperative, will I get out earlier if I'm more cooperative or not?
At this point, no.
At this point, no, right?
No.
In general, is that like a thing?
Makes our time more pleasant, but
Right.
you aren't going to be like punished for being rude and mean and disrespectful.
That's fine.
That's just, I don't know, your personality traits that you decide to display tonight. I already have asked you twice, but I'll ask you a third time. Would you like medics to come check on your wrist?
No.
Okay. Part of my job is to, I need you to take off your rings. All your jewelry, please. Part of my job is to make sure that people who are a danger to themselves don't harm themselves further.
I like literally.
Okay. Try to take off the ones you can. So, part of my job is to determine when people need to go to the hospital because they're a danger to
I'm
themselves. So I have to ask you some
I'm
questions.
fine.
I understand that, but I still have to ask
Yes,
you.
yes, I'm fine.
Well, my first question was, are you going to harm yourself? And you just said
No.
yes.
What am I gonna hurt myself with in this cell?
Well, that's why
for the next
you're
6
taking
hours,
off all the
right?
stuff.
Right? So,
But when you get
no.
released,
Is that any of your business, really? You just want to pull me over, right? So, no, I'm not.
well, thankfully I pulled you over before you ran someone over.
Right.
You're twice the legal limit for an adult.
Well, good thing I got in that parking lot and I wasn't gonna drive home.
Better choice would have never been to drive in the first place.
Right. No, you're right. I thought it was fine though, so not like that's really up for debate anymore, but
You'll have to take off your necklace as well.
thanks. I thought it was.
need you to take your shoes off, place them in the bin, please. There's a blanket for you. Please come with me. I'll be back with you in a couple hours.
Can I make a call or what?
No.
No?
Be back with
What
you.
is that about? I thought that was like, I can make
It's
a
TV.
call.
That's if you're booked into jail. You don't want to be booked into jail.
What? I can't make one call?
No, it's a TV thing. This is a holding facility. It's not a jail.
Okay. But what? I can't.
Get in the cell.
What? I can't make a call
Nope.
to anyone?
Get in the cell. Do it now.
For how long?
Get in the cell.
For how long?
You can be up here for 6 hours. I don't know how many more times I could answer that question for you.
You don't have any answer for me.
6 hours. Get in the cell. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, I'm having a hard time hearing you. Okay. This piece of paper is your right to a hearing. Because you provided a breath sample, you have the right to have a telephonic hearing about the potential upcoming suspension of your license. If you would like to do that, you need to send in a check for $375 within 7 days from today to this address here, Department of Licensing. If you don't send it in, they just assume you don't want that hearing. Okay? So that piece of paper. You don't have to sign anything. Okay. This piece of paper is talking about this. So it says, notice of a right to a hearing. I have been given a written notice to my right to a hearing, including the steps required to obtain a hearing, and understand that the notice of suspension, revocation, or denial of license will be mailed to the address of record on file with the Department of Licensing. So I need your signature there that you're getting this piece of paper. This piece of paper is your criminal citation. So it has your information, your vehicle's information, and what you're being charged with driving under the influence. Up top here, essentially what it says, the next 15 days they're going to be mailing you a packet of this papers to this address you provided me. If that's wrong, or you want your paperwork to go somewhere else, call the court. Their website, mail address, all right here. The reason that's important is if they assign you a court date and you don't show up, there'd be a warrant for your arrest. This piece of paper is your copy of the breath sample. Again, just shows the results of your 2 breath samples. This piece of paper is called your conditions of release. So when I release you here, this is what you have to follow. So anytime someone's arrested for DUI, they have to be in court the next court day. It's not your trial or anything, but it's an initial appearance. They'll tell you what you're being charged with. They'll give you information. You have to be there. If you don't show up, there's a warrant for your arrest. So it's today, the 15th, at 1 p.m.
I have to be there today?
Yep.
Wait, what? That's not, I have class today.
No, you have court today.
What, what, here?
So listen, today, 1 p.m.,
Fuck?
Colfax, Washington.
That's fucking bullshit. I have class today, and I have important
No,
meetings
it's
today with
not
my
bullshit.
professors.
You committed a crime. You need to be in court. Are you going to show up for court? If you say no, I book you into jail.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to court.
Excellent. That's the right choice.
Obviously, yeah.
Your appearance at the above time and location is mandatory and it may not be waived. Your failure to personally appear for this hearing or failure to comply with the below conditions of release shall result in the immediate issuance of a bench warrant for your arrest. So when I let you go, until you see the judge, this is what you have to do. Pending this hearing, the court has ordered that you comply with the following conditions of release. 1, you should not possess or consume alcohol or unprescribed controlled substances. 2, you should not drive a motor vehicle without a valid license, while suspended or revoked, and without required liability, insurance, or compliance with applicable responsibility laws. I promise to appear. I have received a copy of this notice, and I understand the above conditions of release, and I promise to comply and appear as directed above. Okay? You understand where you have to be and what time? If you don't, then we'll just go to your class or your house and arrest you and then take you to jail. It would not be awesome.
Yeah, I know.
I'll have them make you a copy of this one. Here's your copy of the court. Do you have any tattoos? Any large scars? Where would that be?
None yet, no.
Where would your large scar be?
No.
They can figure it out at the jail if you'd rather do it that way. You would rather go to jail?
Right now?
That's what I'm saying.
No, I don't.
Okay, do you have any
What do you
tattoos?
consider as large? Like,
Do you have any identifiable scars?
No.
Excellent. I hope that you can find a way to be respectful so we can get you out of here. If not, we can just go to jail. That's still an option. Come stand with your back up against this blue screen here. We're going to do your photograph. I gotta say, you got probably one of the most disrespectful people I've arrested in a long time. It's not going to get you very far in life. Can you stand in the center, please? Look straight ahead. Leave your body still, but turn your head all the way to the right.
With her erratic driving and obvious impairment, the officer placed her in cuffs and transported her to the station for a breath test. After calming down, she finally agreed, and the test revealed a staggering 0.179 BAC, more than twice the legal limit. Since she consented to the breath test, she was formally cited under RCW 46.6.1.502, DUI, and later pleaded guilty in court. She received 1 day in jail, 363 suspended, 24 months probation, license suspension for 90 days, mandatory ignition interlock, and a DUI victim impact panel requirement. Should a cocky Gen Z driver, who refused tests on scene but blew nearly twice the limit, face harsher penalties?